Namaskar students. Today we are going to teach you one important chapter, that is linear equation for two variables. Students, you know, for a single variable you have learned about this single variable linear equation, and it is very important and as well as it is very easy chapter. Today you will watch attentively the screen of this video and read well, understand well, and you will be efficient for this chapter. The linear equation of two variables, it is coming under unit 2 and chapter number 4. Now you have to learn about what is linear equation. The equation which has a unique solution. That means if you solve the problem, the variable will have only one value which satisfy the equation. See the example. X minus 5, it is a linear equation. X minus 5 equal to 0. If you solve it, you will get it x equal to 5. If you put the x equal to 5 in the left hand side, then you will get the right hand side. Means this x equal to 5 will satisfy the equation. Remember students, for linear equation of one variable we need only one equation, but for two variables we need two equations, and for three variables you need three equations, and so on. Suppose x minus y equal to 50, x plus y equal to 100. These two variables, two equations. If you solve it, you will get x equal to 75 and y equal to 25. That means if you put the value of x and y in the left hand side of the equation 1 or equation 2, then you will get the right hand side. Means they will have the unique value, that is x equal to 75 and y equal to 50. Now there are different types of linear equation. You see the screen and you will understand. Your syllabus is two variables linear equation. Remember students, if the highest exponent of a variable is 1, then that is linear equation. If it is 2, then that is quadratic equation, and if it is 3, that is cubic equation. Means if a equation has one variable, example x minus 2 equal to 0, that will be linear equation for one variable. In a nutshell also, you can see if a equation has two variables, example 2x plus 3y, here x and y two variables, 2x plus 3y equal to 5 equation. This will be linear equation of two variables. Equations will be in the form ax plus by plus c, where a is coefficient of x, b is coefficient of y, and c is constant. Now see the example. There is an equation minus 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Can you put this in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0? Yes, you can put it. Just slightly change it. We can write it is plus into minus 2x plus 3 into y plus into minus 6 equal to 0. Here a equal to minus 2, b is equal to 3 and c equal to minus 6. Now graph. Regarding the graph, you have to put the value of equation. You have to plot the equation point. That means from an equation you have to take out the value of x and y, means two variables. It may be p and q, it may be x and z, it may be a and b. Now see the screen. X equal to 6 minus 2y. From that above equation we can take it, we can get it. X equal to 6 minus 2y, just changing the side of the terms, and then you do like this. What? You have to take minimum 3 points with small values. 0 if y equal to 0 then x equal to 6, if y equal to 3 then x equal to 0, if y is equal to 2 then x equal to 2, if y is equal to 1 then x equal to 4. From here you can see we have taken 4 points, no problem. You have to take the minimum 3 points, right? Here we get 4 points. See, 6 0 1 point means x equal to 6, y equal to 0. Second point, x equal to 0, y is equal to 3, and so on. So you plot this. You plot these points in the graph paper. Now you can see this is the graph paper plotting, which shows a straight line, means your plotting of the points in the on the graph paper is correct. See, plot these 4 points on a graph paper, then you see it makes a straight line as a linear equation, like below after joining the 4 points. And this line is AB line, which represents the equation x plus 2y equal to 6. Now remember students, x axis equation will be y equal to 0 and y axis equation will be x equal to 0. And you know, on the x axis value of y equal to 0. Same way on the y axis x equal to 0. That's why x axis equation equal to y equal to 0 and y axis equation is x equal to 0. And in some equation, if you get x equal to a, that will be parallel to y axis where a is constant. In the same way, if you see y equal to a, that will be parallel to x axis. Here also a is constant. Now this has come for yourself. Some problems will be given as a classwork and homework, and you will do yourself. Classwork. Put the given equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Equations are x equal to 3y, x minus y by 5 minus 10 equal to 0. Second question, write 4 solutions of equations 2x plus y equal to 7. Homework, draw the gap of two variables of equation 3 equal to 2x plus y. Question number 4, write equation of x-axis and equation of y-axis. Question number 5, give example of equation which is parallel to x-axis and also give the equation which is parallel to the y-axis. Thank you students. Thank you for watching this short class.